All right, Everything I Wanted by Billie Eilish. Really cool song. Kind of a syncopated part. So why don't we start before we get into the actual part? Let's just learn what these chords are. So the chords are D major to E major to C sharp minor back to D major. Okay? And a D major, that's D, F sharp, and A. E major is E, G sharp, B. And for C sharp minor, I was playing a first inversion. You could also play it root position. That's C sharp, E, G sharp. And the inversion I was playing was E, G sharp, C sharp, back to D. Okay, so if you're struggling with just playing the actual part, you can just play these chords and it'll work as well. Now there is one little time when it changes in the chorus, when instead of playing a C sharp minor, it plays a major. Other than that, it's these chords the entire time. Okay? So that is the chords. Let's go over the parts. So the left hand is pretty simple. It's just going to be playing D, E, C sharp, D the whole time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the right hand, it has two different variations. The first time through, it's C sharp, A, B, C sharp, G sharp, A. Then it does this walk. That's A, B, C sharp, D. Okay, that's the end of the first part. Now the second part, C sharp, A, B, and then G sharp, C sharp, A. So it's just like the first part, except backwards. Okay, so first time through, C sharp, G sharp, A. Second time through, G sharp, C sharp, A. All right, that whole right hand part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you'll notice it's really, the rhythm is tricky because it's 1, 2, and 3, 4. So the and of 2, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to put them together, you've got these groups of 3 that I see it, and the left hand is moving, well, the right hand is, you start together, and then the right hand goes just by itself, and then we come back together on the third note. Okay, so 1, 2, the right hand just by itself, and then both hands together again. So you might just need to practice that. 1, 2, 3. Then it's the same thing on this next group of notes. 1, 2, 3. This run here is all by itself in the right hand. 1 and 2 and. Then we're back to that pattern. Together, just the right, together. Same thing again, here we go. Together, just the right, together. So just practice this, getting the hands playing together and separate before you put it in time. Let's try that one more time. Together, right, together. Together, right, together. Walk it up. Together, right, together. And then together, right, together. And now the final step is putting it in time, which is going to be really tricky. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, go slow. Take your time. Break it into manageable chunks. Good luck.